Here's a superstar that is dead set on proving why she's the best in WWE.
She's not been quiet about it either. Muay Thai clinch.
Multiple knee strikes. Out of the way in time.
Oh my gosh! Ooh, she responds with it.
She steers clear of that one. Thunderous powerbomb.
I felt the vibration of that one from all the way over here.
Oh, feet tackle.
No other way to say it, guys. That looked like...
Caught with that sharp elbow.
These two battling to a dead heat with these reversals. Showing some extra scouting, knowing how to answer a counter with a counter of your own. Quick exchange.
I think we're going to see it, gentlemen. Powerbomb. Oh! Into the lung blower. We might just be second. I think we're going to see it, gentlemen. Powerbomb. Oh! Into the lung blower. The W is well in hand.
Counters.
Up over the shoulder.
A quick finish. Can she do it? And she gets the shoulders up.
She's trying to drain some energy with that early cover. Head to the pay window.
Makes the cover. She kicks it. I don't believe it.
You have to wonder, what more does she have left?
We have reached a whole other level here.
And you see a perplexed look now for how such impactful offense couldn't gain a pinfall. As this match goes on, is there any self-doubt running through the minds of these competitors?
You can't even allow that notion to creep into your head. You have come too far and fought too hard to grow weak now. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh is right.
Down to impact.
She sent flying into the corner. Made her pay for her mistake.
Going in, boy! Cross body, incredible!
That is reckless abandon being shown.
And paying off as well.
She heads into the ring. Oh, and a reversal.
Saw that. Oh, wow. Rendered unconscious. The official has to call it.
Here is your winner, the Psycho. Quite the win for her here.
This win is spreading like a wildfire. The electricity in this arena is almost palpable.
Dance, fucker, dance. You never had a chance. And no